Hello, everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use the Stoplight API documentation and how to test the same APIs in Postman for the WhatsApp Business API. This is the API documentation for WhatsApp Business API, created for a specific project. Here, you can explore different API categories, such as messages, project webhooks, WhatsApp templates, campaigns, and more. Now, let's test one of the APIs. Select any topic. For example, go to Messages and choose Send Message. This is a post API that allows you to send messages to your target audience. At the top, you will see the API URL. To run any API, two things are required: Project ID and Project API password. You can find the project ID in the URL after logging in to the Flexi WABA portal. The API password is shared with you by our onboarding team. Since it is confidential and generated only once, please store it safely. Next, let's proceed with testing. On the right side, you will see a blue panel where all the data needs to be entered. Always select Auth API key. Enter the API password in the key field and the project ID below it. Now choose the type of message you want to send. You will see examples for text, image, template, interactive messages, etc. For this demonstration, we will use a template text message. In the body section, enter the recipient's mobile number in the To field. Specify the language code in which the template is approved, the template name, and fill in any required parameters if your template contains variables. You can refer to the guidelines on the left side for clarity. Once all details are added, click Send. As you can see, the message was sent successfully. You can follow the same process for all other APIs. You can also test the APIs in Postman. In the documentation, find the curl request. Copy the shell curl code, paste it into Postman, enter your details, and send the request. Again, the message is sent successfully. Please follow these steps to seamlessly use the WhatsApp Business API. Thanks for watching.